Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear Wallpaper Engine cache. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually just launch up Wallpaper Engine, and then I want you to come to the top left and then hover over installed. Come here, click on configure wallpaper, and now I want you to either go ahead and press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all your wallpapers, or I want you to just go ahead and use your mouse where you are going to just click anywhere on the screen and then just drag your mouse like that to highlight all of these wallpapers. Once you're done with that, I want you to just go ahead and right click on any of them, come here, click on remove, and as you can see, it will tell you that you are unsubscribing. And we are unsubscribing from all of these wallpapers, and Steam will basically delete the wallpaper files automatically after this browser window is closed. So I'll click here on OK, and as you can see, we have no more wallpapers, and that is how to clear Wallpaper Engine cache. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, really helps me out as well.